BCH crypto cost might arrive at a likely high of around $162.48 toward the finish of 2023. Bitcoin money cost with a potential flood might reach up to $1,162.77 toward the finish of 2030 when each financial backer became curious about the very first digital currency. Relatively few understood its deficiencies. After 2009, Bitcoin organization was the most hummed word with gigantic inquiry volumes on the web. In any case, what pulled it back? Without a doubt, the other digital currencies on the rundown that ensured to beat Bitcoin's misfortune. Moreover, it has lower exchanging charges than Bitcoin. The forked cryptographic money is ideal to spend, exchange, and trade instead of hold. With POW approach, mining, and expanded exchanges, what might be the eventual fate of this money? Participate as we unravel the conceivable BCH cost expectation for 2023 to 2025 and the years to come. Understanding what the world required, Bitcoin moved towards something very similar, and Bitcoin money entered the market in 2017. Bitcoin Cash dominates Bitcoin as far as exchange speed and speeds up the checks of your exchange. Bitcoin Cash cost for 2023 could go from $116.45 to $162.48. What is Bitcoin money? Bitcoin money is a hard fork of Bitcoin that happened on August 1, 2017. After the approach, the organization compensated each Bitcoin holder with a measure of BCH. With only duplication in the first blockchain.com, it effectively focused on chain scaling and utility as a shared electronic money framework. Bitcoin money extends the size of blocks, empowering more exchanges to be handled. Fundamentally, BCH was made to beat two significant difficulties looked by Bitcoin. In particular, adaptability and exchange charges. The forked money is covered at $21 million, very much like Bitcoin. Thusly, the organization guarantees an incentive for each holder, putting down expansion rates to the base. The organization additionally specifies that BCH upholds token conventions, and with this, making token-upheld projects would be direct. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2023. The People Group engineers have been endeavoring to pull off the socks for the coin. Groups of AnyHedge and Electron Money, among others, are working towards making the organization more solid and easy to understand. Assets refer to that the groups have recorded likely arrangements which incorporate installment gadgets and monetary subordinates controlled by savvy agreement. In 2023, assuming BCH holds the likelihood to ride the bull run, it is guessed that the altcoins cost would be fixed at its expected high of around $162.48. In the event that it neglects to support, the altcoin would wind up exchanging at around $116.45 toward its yearly exchange's end. All things considered, a direct force could allow the cost to settle at normal degrees of $139.58. BCH Crypto Value Conjecture 2024. On the off chance that Bitcoin money figures out how to draw in a more extensive group in the midst of the buzz around Bitcoin's splitting occasion, the cost of BCH could drive to its likely high of $216.58 toward the finish of 2024. In actuality, ebbing noticeable quality followed by bad analysis could droop the value down to $147.25. Progressively, calculating in the bullish and negative focuses on the normal cost could find its base at $181.52. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the organization figures out how to satisfy something similar, the prospects market can turn over towards the coin assisting BCH's cost with striking $274.54. On the other hand, the coin has been exceptionally unpredictable and could ward financial backers with FUD off. Likewise, a potential comparable market slump, with Elon Musk and others bantering over POW before very long, could make the cost hit lower at $185.21 or underneath. In any case, in the event that the day-to-day installments and exchanges over the organization could stay unaffected, with slight trading pressures, the BCH cost might move to $229.59. BCH Coin Cost 2026, as per our examiners. Bitcoin Money Crypto Cost for the year 2026 could go between $250.68 to $387.79, and the typical cost of BCH could be around $321.42. Bitcoin Money Crypto Value Expectation 2027, as indicated by our investigators. BCH cost for the year 2027 could go between $315.66 to $462.12, and the typical cost of Bitcoin money could be around $392.67. BCH crypto cost 2028. As per our investigators, Bitcoin money coin cost for the year 2028 could run between $400.81 to $591.68, and the typical BCH cost could be around $495.86. BCH value expectation 2029. As per our examiners, Bitcoin money crypto cost for the year 2029 could run between $612.12 to $887.54, and the typical cost of BCH could be around $725.15. Bitcoin money value expectation 2030. As per our investigators, BCH coin cost for the year 2030 could go between $720.63 to $1,162.77, and the typical cost of Bitcoin money could be around $952.93. Bitcoin money value forecast. As Bitcoin money develops to a far and away superior shopper cash, we can anticipate that the cost of BCH should take off to more prominent levels. All things considered, as indicated by formed Bitcoin money cost forecast, the coin's value forecast might strike a limit of $162.48 toward the finish of 2023, in the event that the bullish plans are uncovered to turn into a reality. Notwithstanding, the cost of BCH could entrap into a downtrend once more in the event that it succumbs to pessimism and FUD. This could lead the cost to its likely lower part of $116.45 toward the finish of 2023. All things considered, ordinary exchange tensions could settle the cost at $139.58. Central examination, however, intended to be segmented from Bitcoin. BCH utilizes a comparative innovation and agreement system and works practically like BTC. The stage works with a distributed hub organization, and at first began with EDA as a mining calculation. Following errors in the framework, the EDA was changed, making mining more straightforward. The modified update likewise started to utilize the SegWit of Bitcoin, with which the information clog on blocks was settled. In 2019, BCH banded together with FanDuel, a famous dream sports administration, with the association permitting football fans to set aside installments utilizing BTC and BCH. The reception filled in folds, taking the build up to 100 seconds of undertakings, stages, and administrations on BCH. From DeFi and shrewd agreement arrangements like DeToken, AnyHedge, and Brilliant BCH to engineer devices like Mainnet Cash, Cashscripty, and Fullstack, among others, Bitcoin Cash has remained consistent with the commitment of being the world's best cash. BCH memorable market opinions 2017 to 2021. Initially, when presented, BCH was exchanging at almost $250. The cost was ceaselessly moving in the upswing, coming to $4,091, which has been the greatest cost. An accident in the market towards the year's end took the cost to $2,557. The year 2018 had started on a negative note, which prompted the coin slanting down to $898.55 in February. In November, a hard fork chain split of Bitcoin money happened between two opponent groups called Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV. The crypto saw the most reduced esteem at $160 toward the finish of 2018. At the start of 2019, the coin was exchanging at $165.33.